Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in the additional of February the 13th, 2024. It's actually today, Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, February the 14th, 2024. Because yesterday the newspaper boy has not delivered our newspaper. I've downloaded the puzzles from the newspaper site. So sorry for the delay. I need to catch up with the puzzles then. And this one will be number 7998. Yeah, 7988. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 15. The hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 15. Should be an easy one. Maybe a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right. Question is this a 4 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Here 1, there 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Same for here, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box, contains the 1 and 2 and 3. 3 is already given, so these 2 should be the 1 and the 2. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 5 in the same area. So it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Same for the this triple box. Well, the 1, 2, and 3, well, I need to wait. I need more information, insufficient information right now. But the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Let me mark those numbers, 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Cannot fill those numbers. I need more information. Oh, overlook this dual box. Well, 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. Overlooked. Do we have more quadra boxes here besides this one? No quadra boxes. Well, then the following step. The following step is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Yeah. Let me draw the T shape here. Where you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Alright. But also, this box has the same number as that box. That box is the same number as this box. Okay. More T-shapes here. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. More? No. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. Let me draw this here. The L shape. Where you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No L shapes here. Well, not true. Here we have an L shape. Rotated. This box is the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Well. Where you see this kind of shape? Remember. This box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The S construction. If you rotate this, you will get the S. And when you flip the S construction, you will get the Z construction. Yeah. Okay. Let me draw this here. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box is the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, is 1 or a 2. But we have a 1 here. It can be 1 anymore. This box will be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. So 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay, do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. 1 and 2 is also connected with that box, so it's a 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here. Can we 1 anymore? Should be a 2. Is connected with that box, so be a 2. Is connected with this box, so be a 2. So 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. Here we have another same shape but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright. More. Let me check. No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. All right. Let me see. Let me start here. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Okay. Then let me go to 1 box left in this S construction for number 4. Then these 2 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also the 3. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. These two boxes can be a 1 in this triple box, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then, yeah. Well. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, and this box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be here. Then, let me see, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3, alright. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4. This one is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 4. Alright. Well, these 2 boxes surround a 2 can be a 2. But also that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And is also connected with that box. Should be also 2. So 1 box left now in this T-shaped area for number 4. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 1 and 3, we have 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Of course, it's connected to each other. All right. Now, let me see. Let me see. Okay. This box can be 2. That box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. The difficult part. Well, this box can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left with 3 in this cross area should be there. Okay. So 4 and 5, okay. Let me think. 1 and 5 here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadrat box should be there. And I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Well, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a double 2 here. It means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If we place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 supposed to be here. The 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. Mark those two boxes earlier with the 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area, same for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 1. This box can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright, 1 and a 2. I've marked those 2 boxes. 1 or a 2. We have a 1 now. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. So 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there, finish in 60 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Told you, should be a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, today is Wednesday. Cannot tell you see you tomorrow because I'm continuing with the puzzles in the newspaper of today, the Wednesday edition, February the 14th, Valentine's Day. Bye bye for now.